Hi, I'm Justin Conway. I'm a Microsoft Excel expert, and I'm going to walk you through the steps to adding a permanent tab in Microsoft Excel. So if you open up Microsoft Excel and you try to perform a function, you're looking for a button that you can't find in your regular ribbons or in the tabs up here, and you want to add one in there, perhaps you're looking for the function tab, which is not appearing on my ribbon right now as a ribbon. I'm going to, for instance, because you may want to create a function in here. Let's call it sum, and then we're going to add some stuff. And then normally there would be a variety of options and buttons in this area when you started to type, because Excel would recognize that you're about to perform a function, and it would give you those options. So in order to add those in, we're going to go to Excel, Preferences, select Ribbon, and then you'll have a list of options here. We're going to select Formulas. Okay, and now you can see that the Formulas tab has populated into the Excel document, and we'll have our options here so that when we start to type, equals sum, we have our formula bar here where we can edit, and a variety of different options with buttons. That's how to add a permanent tab in Microsoft Excel. Thanks.